Hi friends, this is Santosh. Welcome to the Velocity tutorial. In this video, I am going to explain about select element. Let's see what is select element in Velocity. Select element is very similar to the drop down in the normal HTML, and in the select element we can get the values or the options from different sources. Let's see what are the ways to get the options and how we can get the options in the org. For simplicity, I have created one OS, and from there I have created one step. In that step, I get this select element. Select element. I have used this select element. Now let's configure this select element. Uh, we have a name, a field name required. These are the general things, but coming to the option source, that means from where we need to get the options, we can select from three ways, like from the Sobject also we can get, and manually also we can give, and custom. I'll tell about the custom thing also. First, let's see about the Sobject. How to get the pick list values from Sobject. Suppose I want industry pick list values here. So I'll do like I need to give a subject name colon a subject name dot field name dot industry. It's like a API name of the subject and API name of the field. So the pick list values will be getting here. Now let's preview this. Yes, we got here drop down. You can see here we got all the values whatever there in the account object. Here we can see multiple values in the account industry field. Same values we got here in the drop down. This is the way how we need to configure a subject field here for the select element. Now let's see how this manual will work. Suppose I have a few options and I need to enter that as a manually. So we need to select that and we need to add new option. We need to click that. Here we can give value as a it's a value, and label is nothing but user can see this text or anything. See, I have added one here, and I want to add one more value as well. 2. Now let's see the output for this as well. If you preview this one, it's loading. Yes, here when I click this one, I can see manual values what I have entered. Suppose I selected one, it will come as 1 because I have given value as 1. Based on this value, the value will be reflected here. Label is nothing but what user can see, or the what the text will appear on the UI. Now let's see for other option, that is we can delete this one. Now I'm using this custom. Let's see what is custom. Yes, custom is nothing but whenever you want the values from the Apex class, then we can use this option source as a custom. For Apex class, we need to navigate to the developer console. From here we need to write a class for that. Let's see, already I have written one class for this pick list population. I have written a class for this particular thing. If you want explanation more about this class, just see my remote action video, so that I have explained remote action in remote action video I have explained this class very well. And coming to the main logic here, this one is from 9 to 14. Whatever the values we are going to send to the select element, that will be like key and value, because as when I give like manually, when I entered the values as a manually, I have entered value and key. In the similar way, we need to give value and key. It's like string comma string. So I have took the map of string comma string, that should be placed in the map, so it will be in together. Suppose here I want to in this map I am giving name as this name is considered as a value in the backend, and this value is considered as a label in the UI. This is the main thing we need to remember. This thing, name it will take it as value, and value it take it as label. These two things we need to add to this map. After that, we need to insert that map into the list. Let's see, we have a list here. We need to add this map to the list. And output map, I have explained in that video what is output map. This will return the values to the Omni script. We need to place this all entire list containing maps. We need to place into the output map, and the value key should be options, and the value should be list. If we send this thing, then we can get the values there. Now we'll see how to use this class. Now I am copying this thing, class name. Here I need the way we need to pass here is like class name dot then method name. Method name is this one, dot method name. Then if we write like this, class name dot method name, then we can get the this particular values whatever there. Just for now I have given value as US and label as United States. Then this will be appear in the UI. Let's check that. See, if I click on reload this one, we can see yeah, it's reloaded. See, United States, we can see. If I select this, see, US is the value is taking as name. Whatever we have written, the value will be name, and name will be the value. Suppose in some scenarios we have multiple values to be stored in that, but multiple options we need to display. In that way, what we need to do is just we need to create one more map. Same code we need to implement again. I will be writing here, and just I am renaming, like giving a unique name to that particular map. I am giving value, here I am changing label. Now I am adding this map to the list containing maps. Then again I am sending that that list to the output map. Let's save this one. It is saving. Yes. Now let's reload this one. While reloading, you can also see here the logs will be generated here. Logs are generated. Now if we click on this, see, we can see two things. If I select US, it will take, if it is India, it will be IND. Similarly, if we want any other values, we can just copy this piece of code and we need to paste, and we need to give some particular valid name. Some people have a question like, why can't we use the same map again and again? Okay, if we use that, whatever, suppose this is a this is a map, and name is the key, it's like a keyword, and value is also keyword. We need to use only same name and value for the select element. If we use, suppose if we use name 1 or value 1, it doesn't work, because the framework is like that. We need to use only name for this, for value, for, we need to use value for label. That is the framework we have. And also uh, if we use the same map with the same keys, as we know, suppose again I have again wrote line number 11 code similarly, then that will be override. It will be override, so we need to create again one more extra map. By this we can uh, create the select, we can use the select element. Now this is select element, and also same for the multi select as well. We have similarly for multi select, as well, we have a similar things here, like option, source, manual, custom, and as object. Same, whatever the value we are going to give a source, we whatever the, if we select as object dot field name. If we select manual, we can add options, and if we select custom, we need to have some source like apex class name dot method name. Like that we need to maintain. For writing this apex class, we need to most of the people, they like, they will, one second, yes, they will do mistakes in the, it should be global class. If it is public also, that select operator cannot access this one. It should be global, and also this should be void, it should not return anything. And also this should be name exactly, and this should be value exactly. And it should return to the, it should be placed into the output map. In this case only this will work. And also the main important thing is we need to implement this interface. If it is a insurance, or we need to replace this CMT as insurance, then velocity open interface we need to implement. I have explained this class very well in the remote action video. Please watch that video, and please subscribe to my channel. Like, it will motivate me and make me to do more videos. Thank you.